Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Crista. So for today's video, I'm going to do this Orange Cut Crease Eyeshadow look. This was requested by VargaGa. He makes beauty and lifestyle vlogs as well. If you want to check his channel, I will leave the link down below. This is the original photo and ito yung nagawa ko. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. So let's start with the primer. I'm going to use Essence I Heart Color. Then, isi-set ko siya using Rimmel Stay Matte. Mas madaling mag-blend pag sineset yung eyelid. Pero mas intense yung color kung hindi mo siya isi-set. Pero mahirap siya i-blend. So, mas maganda pag beginner ka, i-set mo siya. Sa eyeshadow, I'll be using 3 different palettes. Beige Cosmetics Modern Mattes, Morphe 35B, and then Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Wala kasi ako lahat ng kulay sa isang palette, so nakita ko lahat ng kulay sa 3 different palettes na meron ako. For the transition shade, gagamitin ko si Morphe 35B. This will be my transition shade. Apply ko lang siya above the crease line. The next shade I'm going to use is from itong medyo light orange. Ito yung magiging crease color. Then, to deepen up the crease area and for my outer V, I'm going to use this shade from Beige Cosmetics Modern Mattes. I-deposit ko lang muna yung kulay dito, then mamaya ko na siya i-blend. On the other side. Then going back to the yellow shade from Morphe 35B. I-blend ko yung edges para hindi siya harsh. Then I'm going to cut the crease using Maybelline Age Rewind. Same trick as before, maglalagay lang ako dito ng kaunting concealer. And then look up. There. Ito yung magsaserve as your guide to where you put your cut crease. Just fill it in. Kabilang side. Then blending it para hindi masyadong harsh yung lines. Gusto ko pang idipin yung outer V niya, so I'll be using a brown shade. This one. Sa outer V. For my lid color, I'm going to mix the yellow shade from Morphe 35P and the light orange shade from Jaclyn palette. Then, sa picture, merong glitter liner sa my crease area. It looks like it's gold. So, I'm going to use Essence Metal Shock in the shade Solar Explosion. Then, for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use this shade. This is from the Jaclyn palette. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use Maybelline Hypersharp Wing. Maglalagay lang ako ng falsies and I'll be back. Let's continue with the eyes later. Sa face muna tayo. I'll be using Maybelline Face Studio Prime and Modelsprefer Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to mix LA Girl Pro Matte and Max Factor Miracle Match. For my concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind. To set my under eye area, I'm going to use Nichido Final Powder. To set everything up, I'm going to use Rimmel Stay Matte. To finish my eyes, I'm going to start with a yellow shade again. Then the light orange shade again. Then very close to the lash line, I'm going to apply this shade. I'm going to tightline using a brown pencil liner. Then I'm going to apply it also on my waterline. Then lastly, mascara. I'm using W7 Absolute Lashes. For my blush, highlighter, and bronzer, I'm going to use VargaGa Sun Chaser Palette. Then for my contour, I'm going to use Tarte TS Contour. I'm going to use the matte shade. For my lips, I'm going to use Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress and Essence Lip Liner in the shade In the Nude. So this is the final look. So that's it for this video. Sana na-achieve ko yung look. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And to get notified whenever I upload new videos, hit that bell button as well. See you in my next one. Bye!